All right, good morning, everyone. Today we're taking the car to the drag strip. This is the first time racing it ever since I went to stage 3. So before I was on stage 2, E85, I was running 11.6 at 121 miles per hour at a quarter mile. So we'll see what she runs today on stage 3 on a TT 710 in the quarter mile. So before we do that and get into some racing today, let's change out the spark plugs and make sure everything's safe. So let's get into it. All right, so the only thing that you really need to change those spark plugs is a deep, shallow wall spark plug socket. Like, it has to be that shallow, otherwise it's not gonna fit. And then a T27 to take the coil packs out. 6 coil packs, 1 OEM, even on stage 3. And 7mm is just to take out my intake. So, the easiest way I found to do this was for this side. I just plop this wiring harness up, right? It's pinned into the blocks over here, right? Unpin this, and that'll give you enough wiggling room to get to all 3. 1, 2, 3, right? All right, so for this side, it's easiest to remove the intake. So remember, unbolt it from here, and the 3 are right here. 1, 2, and 3. But also we have to move this wire harness out of the way. So this side's wire harness, just pull it up. It's just a grommet. Like that. Take this off of here. And then we have enough room to get to all 3. That one, and that one. So you see how much room we got now. All right, let's start stripping it down. All right, let's start taking it apart. All right, here's a better view. 1, 2's in the middle, 3's over here. So pull the tab out, disconnect it. Now you unscrew all 3 coil packs. And just pop out the coil. Jesus. 1. All right, now the coils are off. I'm taking the spark plugs out. Shut the loops. not loose. Interesting.
Brand new plugs. I'll just drop it off right first and I'll plug it now. Alright, drop it in, drop the ball back in. Alright, screw them back in, and then plug it back up. Alright, that's it. Turn the full patch back on.
All right, one side on. Time to do the other side. Moving the ECU might make this easier. Yeah, we need a little bit more space. Yeah, so just unclip the ECU. All right, time to unbolt the 3 coil packs. Unclip the coils first. Okay.
Can't stay on with it.
Same process. Put them back in. Put the coils back in. Screw it down. Plug it back up. All right, plug the coils back up and you're done. If you can't see it, you can just lift it up. You can see it from under there. All right. Put this pin back in to tie the wiring harness down. Put the ECU back in. I'm sweating. we are done. So that's how you change spark plugs.